What's up, guys? And today we're playing Railroad Tycoon 3 Part 5. Good grief, we've got some thunder at this time of day. And it's actually quite loud to be in the year 1877. Well, it always does. So, this yellow locomotive, I mean, is now 3 years old. Yep, that's right. 3 years old, this locomotive. And I just hope they'll release even more and more new locomotives so I can spend them to use them on other locomotive routes. Well, I've nearly got $1 million. So, if you keep getting the luggage and picking up passengers from station to station, I'll have a lot of money in my pocket. And more newspapers are actually releasing. So keep up the good work, trains. I'll inspect you maybe in a couple of years' time. This is actually the last green and red locomotive in my company that looks like this. And it's now 14 years old. I just hope if a new locomotive appears, I'll replace it with that new locomotive, or this one crashes, I'll replace it with the locomotive we have now. Yep, our railroad is just getting bigger with more trains, more lines, and that reminds me. Let's do an extension. Maybe to... I have no idea. Wait, what about... Nah, what about if we put... Did it like that? No, that won't work. Aha, that's what I was talking about. And now, for the finishing move for a small station, which I'm gonna place over. Okay, replace it. Oh, seems weird. Wait, that's the same locomotive. That was that was the new one to that. It was just new to that. How could it crash so early? I don't know. No. Oh, in 1880 now. Maybe. I got an idea. That. A good plan. And we can add a new locomotive between Springfield to Boston. And that reminds me, we need a new service water and that. And yet again, it's massive. With the new extension to Springfield like the Simpsons, it goes over there. That's train number 5. Now let's see the full journey of that new route. $1881, gosh, it is flying. Oh! It's underneath the grass. Boom! Looks like it's gone a bit on the ground under there. What a glitch. It was a bit of a glitch where there's like grass, which there shouldn't be. It should be taken over by a track. Like there with the train. Say, that's a new locomotive. But I don't really have enough money for it. But I do, but I just don't want it to go under 0k. So I might save for that and get that maybe in a couple of years time maybe. When I'm like getting used to it. So, okay. And our oldest locomotive is now 17 years. This train's a master without getting crashed. Maybe it might crash in another 3 years when it's like 20 years old. Well, let's find out and see. Lots of ting-tings and a lot of toot-toots. That means there's a lot of departures and a lot of luggage to hand in so you can make money. And this is part of the team and is the oldest locomotive yet. And now in the year 1883, it's now 18 years old. For human, if you're human, it'll be the first year of your adult life. And finally, we have the first couple of years of this Shay locomotive that was made in 1882, and now we're in the year 1888. So I'll see this locomotive in a couple of years' time, and I'll see how you're going on. You're actually quite a little engine, but you're still powerful. And we're in the year 1889 already. Good grief. Oh, I have to replace train number 2 now. You can replace it with this locomotive. And this is what it looks like when a train is on fire and it's crashed. So the train doesn't exist anymore. So let's see the new locomotive. That is now 0 years old. So, unfortunately guys, I have to end my video here. So please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. And the train's a little bit noisy, so it's a bit of a chugga this train, but I'm gonna leave it here when the game turns into the year 1890, which in 2 months' time it will. More money. Backwards and forwards, you have to do the hard work. Yep, we're in the year 1890 already. Wow, how time flies by. So I'll see you in the future, and we could be in a new century, in the 1900s.